So everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well, my name is Food Lover Asian. You also can follow me on my Instagram under the same name, Food Lover Asian. And guess what? Santorini. Yes, Greece, baby. I am here and I'm right now located in Fira. Yes, the beautiful city of Fira. So there's so many things to see and I'm so looking forward to see a lot of beautiful scenery. So hope you will watch this video until the end. If you have not, please subscribe to my channel. Give me a big thumbs up. Also, leave the comment down below. Let's get going. Santorini, let's go. Okay guys, I've never been to Santorini before and this been a bucket list destination like forever. And I'm super excited to share this journey with you all. First thing first, welcome to one of the famous Greek island. Yes, Santorini. You may have seen all the social media photos and videos or even TV shows about Santorini with that spectacular views and the epic sunsets. But what is it Santorini really like? And what's the town is all about? Hey, so this is a good chance for me to show you and take you on my journey. For all the first timer like me, this is the best itinerary you can follow. First stop, I am visiting Megalochori. It is the most traditional village in Santorini, just 6 miles away from the main city center. It lies on a hill and it's known for the steep alleys and streets. I'm walking to this very famous main attraction that is located in Megalochori village. And it's not too far from the main street. I'm looking for the heart-shaped rock, also known as Heart of the Lovers. Some people call it Santorini Heart. You will find it easily while following the path heading to the beach. Once you get to the dirt trail, make sure you wear your comfortable shoes. It can be really steep and slippery. And more, you will get some steps leading down to it. I saw many people actually fell down here, so be careful. And here we are. Look at this hole. Yes, the view is amazing from this edge. You can see that amazing Santorini caldera and cliffs from different angle. It is basically a natural carved heart-shaped hole in a rock. Well, I think I left my heart in Santorini, and this is definitely remarkable. And if you made it to the heart and keep walking down the hill, you will see these bells atop a small church just below the viewpoint. And this is what they call the charming little chapel, Agios Nikolaos. Next, I'm visiting Monastery of Profitis IIias, also known as Prophet Elias. The monastery is located in the southeast part of Santorini, not too far from the village of Prygos. The monastery was built in 1711 and had a big role in the cultural and educational life of the people, and also used to operate as a school where you can learn Greek language and literature. At a height of approximately 567 meters above the sea level, which makes it the highest point on the whole island. I bet this is a great place to see the best sunset in Santorini. It is and can be super windy considering how high it is located, but the view from the spot here over Santorini is crazy. You get to see the entire island from the top, all the panoramic 360-degree breathtaking views, and all the unique beauty of Santorini. As I'm leaving and headed to Prygos, this area used to be the capital of Santorini. It's about 5 miles from the monastery. The town is pretty small but adorable, and it is the highest village in Santorini. It is definitely different than the rest of the island, It is more quiet and less picture perfect, and more locals around here. This village offers a more peaceful than all the other cities in Santorini and can show you a chance to immerse yourself in the most authentic Greek charm. As I wander through the narrow winding streets surrounded with thick walls and hidden passages, I feel like I'm walking on the best preserved medieval settlement on the island. With the more steps to the hill, then we discovered this very famous and largest Orthodox church, St. Nikolaos Church. It is located in the town center up the hill and is a true jewel to the city. It is a beautiful church and definitely worth the hike up the hills to get here. It's very quiet and simple and definitely serene. When you explore the outside of the church, it is so beautiful and nice and very open. The surrounding is very rocky and typical Cycladic fortress look. And from the backside here of the church, you can see the view of IIias and Akrotiri. And this is what makes me love Greece the most. Very unique and one and only place that makes me feel magical. Moving along, I am about to visit Akrotiri excavation site. I want to show you the most famous ancient city in Akrotiri. And yes, you can visit the area which is now a museum. Once a wealthy trade center, this town was destroyed and covered in ashes following a volcanic eruption on the island in about 1600 BC. Akrotiri is also often referred to as the Pompeii of Greece. I must say this is a super cool archaeological site. You can still see a lot of remains of the old city from back in the day. The good thing about this museum, it is indoor and also covered to avoid the heat and the sunny Greece day. Can you imagine to walk out in the open in hot summer days? Wow, I just can't. And as you walk through the ruins, it is impossible not to be awestruck by the magnitude and the history of this ancient city. And can you imagine? This used to be a real city. So when you have still the time, not too far from the museum, about 15 minutes walk, I'm heading to the most famous beach in Santorini. It is called Red Beach. It is located in Akrotiri. There are not many beaches, unfortunately, here in Santorini, but this is the one that everyone's talking about. It is not the best beach to hang out and lay around, but the color of the redness of the beach and the cliff that is very unique. It was created from the volcanic lava. It is worth just to admire it from the above. But look at the water, super clear with the gentle waves around. And also beware, there have been a numerous landslide in the past years, so make sure just be careful when visiting this beach. Oh, and also don't forget your water shoes. Well, how can we miss this most famous city of IIias? From all the postcards and picture perfect from the social media, this is the place and the most famous city in Santorini. From the beautiful views of the cliffs, the narrow cobblestone streets, breathtaking sunset, and also those famous blue domes. Well, IIias is definitely a postcard perfect town. IIias is situated on top of an impressive cliff and has an amazing view over the volcano and the caldera. The hillside is just covered with all these white painted houses and the smooth streets of marbles and that bougainvillea flowers. Every tourist, including myself, want to be here and experience what Santorini, especially in IIias, is all about. enjoying the panoramic views of the Aegean Sea, and to witness the magic of IIias sunset, and let the breathtaking scenery unfold before my eyes. Passing through these famous twins blue domes, I would recommend to come here either super early in the morning to avoid most tourists, or just blend in with everyone else for the beautiful sunset. IIias is not big, but it is very hilly, so be ready to walk a lot and bring your comfortable shoes. You can also follow the trail to go down to the water, but FYI, it's quite a hike up. It is very beautiful and a very nice walk, so you will not feel the tiredness of it. You will definitely want to spend some time here, but not all day. Not much thing to do here in IIias other than the scenery, so better make some other plans for the rest of the time while you're visiting IIias. Well, moving along as the day goes by and I'm exploring the next fun and exciting town in Santorini. It is Fira. Yes, Fira is the vibrant capital of Santorini, also the biggest, busiest, and the most cosmopolitan city on the island. Apart from the whitewashed architecture buildings and that jaw-dropping views of the volcano, Fira is the center of the best Santorini can offer. It has a great combination of natural beauty and social activities with plenty of restaurants, cafes, and bars. It is situated on the edge of the island's iconic caldera. Fira also offers a breathtaking panoramic views and just a great ambiance for that great romance and wonder. And look at this sunset view in Fira. Wow, I think it is as beautiful as sunset view compared to IIias. Simply, settling in anywhere along the promenade wall and watch as the cliffs around you glows with that magical early evening light. And if you want, you can find some rooftop bar when you can, get some fun drinks and food to enjoy your time enjoying beautiful sunset of Santorini. While the sunset steals the spotlight in Santorini, the early morning hours in Fira offers a very quiet and mesmerizing sight. And the best part is, you cannot see almost no one around. Just allowing you to soak in all the beauty of Santorini to yourself without all the noises. I love it so much. But the donkeys seem not to have enough sleep and rest. They are keep going to work and make sure all the transportation are going smoothly. I think the sunset here in Fira is definitely very pretty, no doubt about it. But this time during sunrise, it just steals my heart. I don't know, it is very serene and peaceful. I could just stand here and immerse myself. Just like IIias, the town of Fira is not that big, and it is very walkable, but just very hilly, and you just need a comfortable shoes to roam around, that for sure. There are two ways to go down to the water. The first one is using these cable cars to go down. The lines though can be very long during the day with so many tourists trying to get the glimpse of the port down there. The ride is pretty surreal and you get another perspective of the views of the town. The other options, which is the old and traditional option, which is riding the donkeys down the hills. Yeah, I don't know. I feel bad for the donkeys. They are pretty tiny and has to carry all of us down. Wow, it can be very tragic, honestly. But that's very common here for the donkeys ride to go down the pathway. But no, I don't know, it can be scary for me to just have this donkey rides to go down. Oh, and one more thing. One of the good things, and I would recommend you to stay in the town of Fira, is because there is a central bus station here where you can get access the whole island conveniently.
Kalimera, everyone. Well, Santorini, Greece, sadly is done. Well, I capture a lot of things, a lot of food, a lot of traveling, a lot of sights. So what do you think? Which one's your favorite? Leave a comment down below. Also, if you have not, please subscribe to my channel. Give me a big thumbs up. Until the next travel adventure with me, Food Lover Asian. Sampai jumpa lagi, FR Resto. Thank you. Sampai jumpa lagi. Bye.